Okay, guys, let's get into this. First of all, this is all going to be totally free. You're not going to have to spend a penny to make this work for you. And you're going to potentially make a lot of money, like I do. I make a lot of money at this. It takes me about 8 minutes a day. And I can make anywhere from several $100s to several $1,000s. It's like hitting a few keys on a keyboard. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about email marketing and basically affiliate marketing via an email list. And you want to build up an email list. I'm sure you've heard it a million times from a million different people. The money is in the list. The money is in the list. But I teach this stuff to my students, how to build up a big email list and how to build a responsive email list and make money with it. But the biggest objection I get from people, and I find it hard to understand, is, well, I don't want to spend $60 on an autoresponder. I don't. Well, I'm going to take that objection away from you, from the chuckleheads right now, because any money you spend on an autoresponder, first of all, you're not spending money with an autoresponder. You're investing, and you're investing in a tool that will make you money. But I understand there's some people that are penny wise and dollar stupid. So I want you to understand. Well, first of all, let me move this down. It's out of frame, I see. So I want to show you this MailChimp. Now, why am I showing you MailChimp? It's an autoresponder. Let me click on pricing here. But it's free. You're going to be able to get a free level, and it's going to give you everything you need to make money like I do on demand. You're going to get an autoresponder with up to 2,000 names, up to 2,000 email addresses in that autoresponder for free. You're also going to get a free website and domain, and everything you need basically is here for you, and it's free. So I've removed that obstacle, even though that wasn't a real obstacle. Paying $60 for an autoresponder should not be an obstacle to anybody that understands that an autoresponder is a tool that makes people money. So anyway, okay, there are some idiots out there that still believe, oh, I don't want to spend $20 or $30 or $50 on an autoresponder. Well, now you don't have to, right? Now, having said that, I want to say I do not use MailChimp myself. I have several other autoresponders that I use because I'm a professional, right? I use the other autoresponders that I've used forever. And those are Aweber, GetResponse, and I use another private SMTP autoresponder. Maybe we'll get into that later in later videos. But for you guys who are just starting out, come here and get a free account with MailChimp and give it a shot. So now we come to the second half of, how do you make money email marketing? Well, there's a million ways you can do it, but the first thing you need to do and the first thing you need to understand is you need to grow your email list. And this is the one I get all the time that makes me mental. Well, Kinghuman, you have a huge email list. We don't have that. Well, I wasn't born with a big email list. I built my email list. The same way you're going to have to build your email list. So how do you build an email list? You give something away for free to get somebody to opt in to your email service, right? So I'm sure you've seen them before. They're squeeze pages. So I'll just show you one of my quick little squeeze pages that I made just so you understand what's going on here. This is a typical squeeze page, 8 secrets to TikTok success. These 8 TikTok hacks can make you TikTok famous, and it's 100% free. So people that want this course, people that want to know how to get TikTok famous, they enter their name and their email address, and they click on this button, and they get this sent to their inbox for free. So basically what I'm doing is I'm giving away something of value to people that want it, and they opt into my email list to get it. And now that they're on my email list, I can send them offers of other things that they might be interested in buying. And I do that with an affiliate link so that if they buy something, I get paid. It doesn't cost them 1 penny extra, and boom goes the dynamite. It's a good business. Pretty damn great business, actually. So, here, that's the nuts and bolts of it. It's not rocket surgery. It's easy. And all you have to do is put this out there on social media or whatever. And people that are interested in whatever subject it is will join your email list to get the freebie. And yes, it's very simplistic. I'm giving you a simplistic overview, but basically that's the basics of this business. And in order to make this work, you need an autoresponder so you can collect people's email addresses and send them emails on demand. And that's where MailChimp comes in this case. Because instead of spending hundreds of dollars on an autoresponder and a website, you get an autoresponder and a website and opt-in pages and all of that stuff on MailChimp for your in the free level. So why not give it a shot, right? But the other thing you're going to need is you're going to need to learn how to do email marketing the right way. So with that in mind, I'm going to give you another cool free tool, and that's my website, thekinghumanelite.com. Yeah, I'm biased, but this is free, free for 7 days, because I want you guys to be able to get access to the training you need that will make you a success. So I've set up my website to give you instant access to all the training, all of it, not just a watered down version of the training. If you come in here and become a member, you're going to get access to everything in here. That includes the courses, the tutorials, the everything, the done for you businesses in a box. You also get voicemail access, private voicemail access to me, and I will answer any questions you have directly via return voicemail. This is golden. And again, it's 100% free for 7 days. So here's my challenge to you. I want you to take these steps if you want to start making money online. First thing, go to MailChimp and get a free account. Now, I want you to understand MailChimp is not paying me in any way to make this video. And then the second step I want you to take is to come here and become a member of my website for 7 days free. Click on that button and you'll see right here, 7-day free special limited time access. And you will have access to everything in the money pages. And you can download as many courses as you want, keep them. There's no obligation. If you cancel your membership before the 7 days are up, you won't owe a penny. Got it? No hubbub. So there it is. But here's my challenge. This is step 2. Step 3 is once you come in here and you come into the members area, take the first course. And you'll see it'll be in the new members start here section. Take that first course. And if you don't see the value of what's going on, cool, cancel your membership. No hard feelings. We'll still be friends. We'll still throw the frisbee at the barbecue and we'll still be buddies, right? No harm, no foul. But that's it. This is going to get you on track. This is, I think, the best way to get you guys started and get you guys going. But basically, I want you guys to understand, all of you guys that are looking to get started in email marketing and building your list, MailChimp has a really good free option. I didn't even know this existed. One of my elite students told me, hey, have you seen the MailChimp free option? Because you get a website, you get 2,000 people on your list. Well, I mean, you don't get 2,000 people on your list. You get to build an email list of up to 2,000 people for free. Now, remember, your email list, well, the industry standard says your email list should be worth to you about $1 per email address per month. So this email list, an email list of 2,000 people, should be worth about $2,000 a month to you if you're operating your email list correctly. And remember, Your operating your email list is about 10 minutes a day. But let's take this even further. Let's say, okay, the industry standard isn't accurate anymore. Maybe it's half of that. Maybe your email list is only worth 50 cents per person per month, right? So boom goes the dynamite. You're still making $1,000 a month with this email list for 8 minutes a day of work. And that's good seed money. $1,000 a month can get you into a lot of other things. You can really grow your business with that. But for free, you're getting the autoresponder, and you're also getting a website, landing pages, shoppable landing pages, Facebook and Instagram ads, social posting. You get so much for free. Again, I'm not using this. I don't use MailChimp. I use my other autoresponders. I may come in here and give this a test, but I'm not here to give this platform a review. I'm going to let that be on your shoulders. You come in here and see if this fits your needs. I just thought you might want to know that there is a way to get into this business for free. But you need two things. You need this autoresponder, or you need a autoresponder, and you need an education. So here's the education. You can get that for free for 7 days. Come in here, check it out. See if it's for you. If it's not for you, no hard feelings. And if it is for you, you'll find out. And you'll understand this is a slam dunk deal. So there it is, guys. Okay, maximum respect. All the best. Bye, Inara. Stay safe. Stay well. Booyah.